Today we are going to learn how to crack WEP encrypted passwords, which are used by most government sectors and even some of the private sectors are going to use it. That is, we can find them in colleges, banks, etc. etc. Even your surroundings, some of the home access points have WEP encrypted passwords. It is not that secure, we can easily crack it. Okay, this is only for educational purpose. If you do anything with your system by cracking without any permission, it is not my problem. It is all your own risk. Let's get started. Okay, at first we are going to start with our terminology, means how the hell it works, how it is possible. Okay, we have access point here which is considered it as a WEP encrypted password. Um, Now we are going to okay, wait, I have to draw this computer. This is the computer, and we have seen that it is WEP encrypted password. The data travels over the air. See, like this, the data travels over the air, and what you have to do is you have to capture these packets, because every packet consists of an authentication packet, means that is the main packet. It travels through this, the person who is already connected to the access points using the WEP key. He will be connected already, means without, if nobody connected to that network, you will not able to crack it. If anyone connected to the network only, you can crack it. See, he is using some data, some downloads or something like that. He sends that packets to this WEP, and in return it will send to this person. In the middle we will interfere these packets, means he does not know that we are interfering his packets, but in middle we are going to monitor, means the important, we have to capture the important authentication packets. See, from here we are going to capture these authentication packets, and to our PC we will record those authentication packets. About 1000, we have to capture more than 20,000 packets. We have to more than capture 20,000 packets, so it will take some time, but not more than 10 minutes. Okay, after capturing using this Wi-Fi adapter, means what we do call Wi-Fi adapter. If you have an Wi-Fi, it definitely consists of a Wi-Fi adapter. So for that I'm using a TP-Link WN722N. After this you can watch what is TP-Link WN722N adapter. Then we have to monitor, we have to enable monitoring mode, which will watch these packets and captures the important authentication packets for us. Then we have to stop this monitoring mode or anything else, because after capturing the packets we have this authentication packets. So all we have to do is crack it. We can crack them by using our KaliLinux machine. I am using KaliLinux for monitoring mode, and let's watch what is TP-Link WN722N adapter. This is my TP-Link WN722N adapter, which has the Atheros chipset and about 150 Mbps of transfer speed. It has a 4 dBA external antenna which is removable, and overall this product is good enough for us to crack. And this is my TP-Link W896AD access point, which I am testing it on. It has a 5 dBA dual antenna, and it's not the small one, it's the big one, and I have encrypted with WEP encryption so that we can crack it. Now let's get started from desktop. Now coming to my Linux machine, we're going to start our process of cracking WEP encrypted passwords. Okay, let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to plug in your external adapter. There is not internal adapters are not going to work, so I am using, as I show you, that I am using TP-Link WN722 adapter. It is good, it is okay enough for me, but I prefer using alpha adapters. Those are more powerful, and those powers, means those transmit powers, are really high, but it is enough for me. So let's get started. First we have to think enable the monitoring mode. So how we can do that? Okay, for that in Linux we have some tool which can do that. That is airmon-ng. Okay, before enabling the monitor mode, we have to see does our device listed here or not. See, my device is listed here. It is Etheros Communications. Means the chipset is AR9271. It's shifted now, and its interference is WLAN1. We have to remember it. Now let's enable monitoring mode. For that, we just type the small command 1. airmon-ng start WLAN1 means we are enabling monitoring on the interface WLAN1. Okay, the upper one is the Broadcom chipset, which is the internal one, which is not going to work. So I am using this external one, and let's enable the monitoring mode. See here, the monitor mode WEP is enabled for WLAN1 mon. WLAN1 mon. It is important. Okay, now we have to scan for the networks. Let's scan. Means what we have to do is we have to scan for the networks. Means what are the networks in our surroundings with WEP encryption. For that, we are going to use the airodump tool. Here, while typing the interference, you have to type the interference of the monitoring mode. Means see here the monitoring mode enabled on WLAN1 mode. Means you have to type this WLAN1 mon Wi-Fi adapter interface. Okay, see here it was scanning for the network. See, I already found one. Actually, it was my home network. As I will already show you, I was testing on that that TP-Link Wi-Fi access point. See here, the BSS ID means the MAC address of that one. We require this. Just copy it. You can copy by clicking right click or Control Shift C for KaliLinux. It is different from the Windows. Okay, see, it was indicating the power -42, means it's quite powerful. Means 44, 45. It is the signal strength. Let's consider it as signal strength. Next, here the beacons means how many beacons are traveling along the air, and the channel, on which channel the data is transferring. It is important for us. And the ESS ID. What is the name of your network? Let me zoom in. What is the name of your network? Here is this. And coming to this, here station means what? Means the person who connected to that network are known as stations. Here only one person connected. Actually you have two, more than one or two, no problem. One is also enough for us to crack this WEP encrypted password. Now all we have to do is we have to monitor only this person. We have to monitor this person. Why the hell we have to monitor this person? Because actually the data travels from here to there using this person. We can capture those data. Okay, without delay we have to open another terminal. Now let's do that. Sorry for that. It is airodump-ng //BSS ID. Means the BSS ID means I told you already that. Okay. The channel is on 11 channel, and let's write. You have to write the output file. Means we have to capture the output one. Let's write it as output. Next we have to tell the interface to the airodump so that it can use that interface. See, now it was capturing those packets. All we have to do is just wait for about 10 minutes. Okay, that's enough. 10 minutes is enough. Just wait for 10 minutes, and it has to capture more than 20,000. So already don't see the frames. Just wait for 10 minutes. It will be finished. Okay, I have captured enough packets, I think. Now all you have to do is press Ctrl C. It is about 5 minutes or something like that. Just press Ctrl C and see, it was stopped. Now let's see what we have named our output file. It is named as output, OUT, output. Okay, we have to type ls for list all, means the contents in the directory, means in that root. I'm in the root. so it will list out all this one. For you also no problem, just type ls. Then see, I have this many output files because I already done so many attacks on Wi-Fi networks, so I have created this many output files. For us, the output file is output 06 cap. Actually, it produces three types of file. One is cap, one is csv, next one, another one is kismet.csv, next another one is kismet.net.xml. Actually, I think this is your first time cracking the password, so all you will have only the one, means output/01. You will have this thing, but for me it was this one. Just copy this, Control C, means not Control C, Control Shift C. Now I'm going to crack it. For that I'm using aircrack-ng. This is main popular one in cracking Wi-Fi passwords. It is built in everything is in KaliLinux. It was built in, and nothing you have to do externally. Just you have to find your WEP encrypted Wi-Fi network so that you can crack one. Okay, Control Shift V. See, finish. It did not took more than 4 seconds because I think my machine was powerful there. If you have a powerful machine with enough CUDA cores or i7 6700K processor like that, you can easily crack within seconds. See, my password is 8330990980. Okay, let's try it out with my mobile. Okay, I'm going to connect now. Show password 8330990980. Voila, it was connected. See here. Finish. Thank you for watching. Click on subscribe for more videos and more hacking tutorials. Again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.